Yes, that's right, you read it correctly. On the thumbnail and on the description, I am leaving YouTube. I'm too busy, not only doing too much content online, but I also have got my mastering to do, weirdly, and I've got a course to do, which is busy, and loads of other stuff. And to be quite frank, I'm sick to death of listening to equipment, talking to people in the comments. It just takes so much of my time that I just can't be arsed any longer. So that's it, I'm gone. I don't think it's going to change my life. I don't think it's going to change my business. I'm sorry to all you guys who watch and like what I do, and I thank you for all your comments and input along the way. But yeah, I've had enough, to be fair. So that's it. Only joking. April Fools. Sorry, you know I love it, really. You know I love it. So keep commenting. I'm going to keep throwing videos at you. In fact, I'm going to go full turbo in the next few months and give you even more content. So tell me what you want in the comments. This Thursday, because it's relevant, because this video's kind of for April Fools. This Thursday, I am running a free online training. It's a 3-step process, simple process for mastering from start to finish. So if you want to be in on that, it's only for 100 people. I'm just saying it out here to all you guys that watch me. If you want to learn that simple 3-step process from me on Thursday, and then we're going to do a Q&A afterwards. There is a link below. It won't be open forever, the link below, so go there whilst you can, and I'll see you on Thursday. If I don't see you on Thursday, I will see you on Wednesday or another day of the week for another video. So sorry if you were devastated and were crying when you saw the thumbnail and the description, but I am staying around. I'm really sorry. Or actually, you might be a bit annoyed that I'm not going. But if you are a bit annoyed that I'm not going, then just simply unsubscribe. But please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and bye.